Hello fabulous ladies. Welcome back to Kids Zone, the ultimate destination for all things health and beauty. Today, we are delving into the world of women's wellness with a focus on OZiva Protein and Herbs for women. If you've been on the lookout for a protein supplement designed specifically for women, you're in for a treat. Stick around for an in-depth review, unboxing, and a closer look at what makes OZiva special. Enthusiastically, ladies, if you're anything like me, you understand the importance of giving your body the nutrition it deserves. Today, we are exploring OZiva Protein and Herbs, a unique blend crafted to support women's health and well-being. Let's dive right in. First things first, the taste test. Because who wants a protein shake that's a chore to drink, right? Sipping, that's delightful. OZiva Protein and Herbs for women has a smooth texture and a pleasant taste, making it a joy to incorporate into your daily routine. No gritty aftertaste, just pure, plant-powered goodness. Now, let's break down the key features of OZiva Protein and Herbs for women's. OZiva Protein and Herbs is not just about protein. It's a comprehensive blend with added vitamins, minerals, and Ayurvedic herbs to support your overall well-being. Tailored for women, this blend includes ingredients to support hormonal balance, making it an ideal choice for different phases of life. Packed with antioxidants, OZiva helps combat free radicals, promoting healthy skin, hair, and overall vitality. Now, let's dive into the unboxing experience and see what surprises OZiva has in store for us. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some incredible women who have incorporated OZiva Protein and Herbs into their daily routines. Now, let me share some practical tips on how to make the most out of OZiva Protein and Herbs for women. Kickstart your day with a protein-packed smoothie using OZiva. It's a fantastic way to ensure you start your day on a nourishing note. After a workout, your body needs replenishment. Mix OZiva into your post-workout shake to aid muscle recovery. Get creative in the kitchen. Incorporate OZiva into your favorite healthy recipes, from protein balls to smoothie bowls. There you have it, fabulous ladies, OZiva Protein and Herbs for women. If you're looking for a holistic approach to your wellness journey, this might just be the perfect addition to your routine. If you've tried OZiva or have any questions, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more reviews and women's wellness content. Until next time, stay fabulous and stay healthy.